My name is Dr. Ben Fu. I work with KureSmart Pain Management. I'm one of the senior physicians here. I've been with the company for about 5 years, but I've been practicing for about 8 years. I enjoy what I do a lot. I think that shows in a lot of patients that I see. I get constant referrals from family members and friends. One of the misconceptions that we get as pain physicians is that we only work with medications. In actuality, we do a lot of procedures that can help with the pain condition depending on what it is. A lot of that comes from listening to you as a patient, figuring out how it affects your life, how it affects your job. One of the things we specialize in is actually in procedures where we can hone in on where your pain is and actually treat the pathology rather than just masking the symptoms with medications. People with chronic pain either live very, very debilitating lives, and we try to move towards that goal of making it better for them. I have a few patients actually that have come to me and they want me to get them better so they can go on vacation. A lot of times they have a vacation plan ahead of time, and all of a sudden they have back pain or leg pain, and they come to me and they ask, how can you get me better so I can go on this trip? One of the more recent stories that I want to share with you is that I had a patient that had a upcoming trip to Paris. She had planned this months in advance, and unfortunately she had back pain several weeks right before, and she came to me and asked, how could I get her better to go with her husband? Once we figured out the treatment plan, I performed a procedure on her that allowed her to get better. She came back several weeks later, and she told me about her trip, and she had a good time, and I felt that I was able to make it happen for her. One of the best compliments that I get as a physician is that they send me their family member, whether it's their uncle or their aunt or their grandmother or their close friend. It makes me feel that I'm doing a good job as a pain physician. My name is Dr. Ben Fu. If you have any pain that's affecting you, come see me.